Good day everyone. So today in this video, I am going to give you an updates on the flowers that I have planted from seeds last spring, which is the Petunia and Snapdragon. If you are interested to see on how I plant my seeds, I will leave the link below. Here's the Petunia that I have placed in the front island. It looks so stunning. It has a lot of blooms and it has different colors as well. There is some white, purple, deep pink, and light pink as well. Here in the front door entrance, I have 5 containers. All of them are planted from seeds and bulbs. In this container, I have some snapdragons, which is multicolors, and in the middle of it, I have placed a calla lily. Next to it is the petunia. I really love the combinations of the color in this container. On the top of the stairs, I have 2 planters. So I have planted snapdragons around it, and then in the middle, I have planted the calla lily. The calla lily bulb, I remove it each year and store it for the winter and plant it again in spring. So I just repeat the same process in this container. I planted multicolors of snapdragons and then we have the calla lily in the middle. I'm so happy how it turns out. And by the way, this is the second flash of blooms already. And the best thing about it, I really enjoyed it. It brings me so much happiness. And you know what? It's all free. So what I do at the end of the season is I collected all the seeds of snapdragons and same with the petunias. And with the calla lilies, I take the bulbs out and winterized it. That's all for today. I hope you like this video and I hope that you start saving your seeds as well for the next season. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.